Welcome back here to GMQC at 11 on this weather impact alert day. Now let's kind of break down some timing here before we get into some breaking news here with your weather. The time frame, it's going to be from 6 p.m. until midnight here for those strong to severe storms. Really what we're helping you do right now is prepare so you can plan properly. And you're really going to want to prepare and plan properly here with this one. And the best way to do that, download the WQAD 8 Plus app on your TV and watch for free. After this, we got a stream coming up, both Andrew Stutzky and I, at noon on the 8 Plus app. And you're going to want to be there because we have some breaking news in weather. Okay, and that breaking news is an upgrade to a level 3, actually level 4 out of 5 risk here throughout our hometowns. Notice the purpling here. It's now in our southeast hometowns. This just came out literally about 15 minutes ago. It's now in our map. It just got into our map system about 1 minute ago. You can see for our furthest southeast hometowns, Princeton, Peru, Kewaunee, Galesburg, we got Delva in there, Knoxville. You have that potential to have that level 4 out of 5 widespread risk here for these severe storms. Brand new breaking news. We still have that 3 in place and that 2 in place throughout many of our hometowns as well. But the big area of concern, again, is going to be, we got Knox County, we got Henry County, Illinois on the furthest southeast portion, into portions of Bureau County here. And as we get through the rest of the evening. Outside right now, we're seeing those clouds continue to build. That temperature at 62 feels like 62. North wind here in the Quad Cities, and wind direction and temperatures are going to be very important here today. Notice the winds coming in from the south here, from the north here. There's a backdoor front that's really going to impact where this warm front ends up kind of placing itself, and that's going to determine where we have the highest tornado risk here today. North of it, we have the hail risk. Of course, south, not only tornadoes, but hail as well. You can kind of see that line right here where that boundary is right now. And wherever it places itself is going to be the big role. Again, we have north winds there. We have south winds here. But think about the spin that you can get with this, right? You have a south wind with a northeast wind, and aloft we have winds coming in from due west. That's what's kind of giving us that shear, the potential to see that spinning atmosphere here throughout our hometowns. And I think that boundary, it's going to kind of line up exactly where we're seeing that 4 out of 5 risk further off to our south and to our east. That's where we have the best potential, the best ingredients there to see these stronger storms. Anywhere along and south of that boundary, that's where these tornadoes could fire. We're looking at that level 3 out of tornado 5 threat still as of right now. Looks like we might actually have a little bit of a darker portion there where that 4 is. I think that's where that 4 is right there. So its color is a little bit weird with us, but that's where we have a 4 out of 5 risk, believe for those tornadoes. When it comes to your intensity, we're looking at an EF3+. This is that new conditional intensity group that just got released here this year in a line from Galesburg to Princeton, Peru. The ingredients are there. Again, this is about potential, but when you have those ingredients for that potential level intensity, that's something that we really got to keep an eye on here. Princeton, Peru, Kewaunee, Galesburg. Biggest hometowns that we're looking at here as we get towards the afternoon. Other threats, of course, hail. Then as we get late into the night, maybe some wind here as well. But the primary concern will continue to be tornadoes and hail here with this system. Let's put future track into motion, help you time this out so you can be prepared. What's first going to happen is some rounds of showers as we get into the early afternoon. Then notice the clearing down here. That's going to allow storm energy to build back up, and then storms are going to start to bubble as we get towards that 6 p.m. time frame, starting near Burlington, kind of tracking its way towards Henry County, Illinois, heading towards Princeton, Peru. Notice the kind of convection we're seeing there and the kind of the shaping, the bending of it. That's indicating a kind of supercellular structure here with the system. That's what we're concerned about. As we get towards 10 p.m., most of that activity will clear, and then our severe threat looks to likely probably clear from the area. This is our house model. This is one of the solutions, but it's something we've been really liking here with this system over the last few days. Here's your 8-day tracker. Again, warm today as the cold front sweeps through on the back end of the system. We have the chance for some showers tomorrow and a big drop in temperatures. 45-year high tomorrow, seasonal temperatures after that. Then in the extended outlook, we're looking at some 30s here again Monday and Tuesday next week before we start to trend back towards those spring-like temperatures. Emma?
All right, thank you, Peter.